Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Trello cards automatically using Zapier. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update Trello cards automatically using Zapier, first, ensure you have accounts for both Trello and Zapier. Log in to your Zapier account. On the Zapier dashboard, click on Make a Zap. In the Triggers section, search for and select Trello. Choose the trigger event that suits your needs, like card updated. Connect your Trello account by following the prompts to authorize Zapier. Once connected, select the board and list you want to monitor for updates. Test the trigger to ensure it's pulling in data correctly. Next, you'll set up the action step. Search for and choose Trello again for your action app. This time, select Update Card as the action event. Now, connect to your Trello account if you haven't done this already. In the action setup, specify which card you want to update. You can use fields from the trigger step to identify the card. Fill in the details for how you want to update the card. This might include changing the card's title, description, or labels. Once you've configured the update settings, click Continue. Zapier will prompt you to test the action. Run the test to ensure the card updates as expected. If the test is successful, you can move on to the next step. Finally, give your Zap a meaningful name. Turn the Zap on to start automating Trello card updates. Now, your Trello cards will update automatically based on your specified criteria. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.